Welcome to Vitality Vanguard Beyond 50, where we explore the world of senior-specific nutrition and health. As the golden years roll in, it's crucial for us to maintain a balanced diet that meets our unique nutritional needs. This video will serve as your guide to understanding the importance of senior-specific nutrition and provide practical advice to help you maintain optimal health and vitality. Before we dive in, do you know any unique nutritional requirements for seniors? Comment your thoughts below and stay tuned to find out if you're right. So, what makes the nutritional needs of seniors unique? Let's unravel the science behind it. As we age, our bodies undergo numerous changes that affect how we process and absorb nutrients. One of the key nutrients that become increasingly important is calcium. Our bones naturally lose calcium as we grow older, which can lead to conditions like osteoporosis if not addressed. To counter this, it's crucial to incorporate calcium-rich foods in the diet, such as dairy products, green leafy vegetables, and fortified cereals. Alongside calcium, vitamin D plays a vital role in bone health. It aids in the absorption of calcium and helps to maintain bone density. However, as we age, our skin's ability to synthesize vitamin D from sunlight decreases, making it all the more important to consume foods rich in vitamin D like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products. Another crucial nutrient for seniors is fiber. It aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and lowers the risk of heart diseases and type 2 diabetes. Since our digestive system slows down with age, incorporating fiber-rich foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes in our diet can help maintain regular bowel movements and overall digestive health. But it's not just about what nutrients we consume. It's also about how our bodies absorb them. As we age, our metabolism slows down, and the efficiency with which our bodies absorb nutrients decreases. This means that even if we're eating the same foods as in our younger years, we may not be getting the same nutritional benefits. That's why it's vital to make dietary adjustments, focusing on nutrient-dense foods rather than those high in empty calories. Navigating the changes in our bodies as we age can be complex, but with the right knowledge and understanding, we can make informed decisions that support our health and vitality. Remember, understanding is the first step to better health. Now that we understand the why, let's explore the how. How can seniors ensure they're getting the nutrients they need? Meal planning for seniors is not just about choosing the right foods, but also about how these foods are combined and consumed. It's like a fascinating puzzle where each piece plays a crucial role in creating a complete picture of health and vitality. Firstly, incorporating nutrient-dense foods is key. These power-packed foods provide more bang for your caloric buck and are brimming with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other essential nutrients. Think of colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and heart-healthy fats. Remember, the more vibrant your plate, the more diverse the nutrients you're getting. Next, let's talk about portion sizes. It's not just about eating right, but also about eating in the right amount. Our bodies need a certain amount of fuel, but overeating can lead to unwanted weight gain and health issues. On the other hand, eating too little can lead to nutrient deficiencies. Striking a balance is crucial. Now imagine your plate as a pie chart. Half of it should be filled with fruits and vegetables, a quarter with lean proteins, and the remaining quarter with whole grains. This ensures a balance of nutrients in each meal, keeping you satiated and nourished. Hydration is another critical aspect of meal planning. Remember, water is a nutrient too. Our bodies need adequate hydration for various functions, from digestion to maintaining body temperature. So keep that water bottle handy. Finally, regular meal times help keep your metabolism steady and prevent overeating. Try to eat at the same times every day and don't skip meals. It's like setting a routine for your body to optimally process the nutrients. In essence, effective meal planning for seniors involves mindful choices and habits. It's about nourishing your body with the right foods, in the right amounts, at the right times. Meal planning isn't just about what's on your plate. It's about your overall lifestyle. So let's make sure that lifestyle is filled with nutritious, tasty, and vibrant meals that fuel your golden years with health and vitality. Ready to put this knowledge into practice? Here are some simple, nutritious recipes designed specifically for seniors. First off, let's start the day right with a breakfast option that's as tasty as it is nutritious. A bowl of oatmeal with berries and nuts. Oats are an excellent source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels. The berries add a burst of antioxidants, vital for cell health and boosting the immune system. And the nuts? They're packed with heart-healthy fats and protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied. All you need is a half cup of oats, a cup of your favorite berries, and a handful of nuts. Cook the oats as per the instructions on the package, then simply top with the berries and nuts. Easy and delicious. Moving on to lunch or dinner, how about a grilled salmon with steamed veggies and quinoa? Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. The veggies provide a variety of vitamins and minerals, and quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. To prepare, grill a fillet of salmon, steam your choice of vegetables, and cook the quinoa according to the package instructions. Combine everything on a plate, and there you have it, a balanced, nutrient-dense meal. And we can't forget about snacks, can we? For a quick and nutritious bite, try making a batch of almond and date energy balls. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, crucial for skin health, while dates are high in fiber and natural sugars, giving you a quick energy boost. To make these, just blend a cup of almonds and a cup of dates in a food processor, roll the mixture into balls, and store in the fridge. They're perfect for when you need a little pick-me-up in between meals. Each of these recipes is not only easy to prepare but also packed with the nutrients seniors need to stay healthy and vibrant. They're all about balance, combining proteins, carbs, and fats in a way that not only fuels the body, but also satisfies the taste buds. And remember, these are just examples. Feel free to get creative in the kitchen using the principles of senior-specific nutrition we've discussed. Substitute ingredients based on your preferences, or experiment with spices and herbs to create flavors you love. Because at the end of the day, eating well isn't just about nourishment. It's about pleasure too. It's about savoring the flavors, textures, and aromas of the food, and enjoying the process of preparing and consuming it. It's about treating your body kindly, giving it the nutrients it needs to function at its best, and celebrating the joy of eating. Remember, food is not just fuel, it's a way to enjoy life and stay healthy. We've explored the science, the strategies, and even some recipes. But the journey doesn't end here. The world of senior-specific nutrition is vast and ever-expanding. We've highlighted the importance of key nutrients like calcium for bone health, fiber for digestion, and omega-3 fatty acids for heart health, among others. We've also delved into the art of meal planning, showcasing methods that can help streamline your culinary endeavors while ensuring you're getting the nourishment you need. We've shared some mouth-watering recipes, each one tailored to meet the unique nutritional needs of those over 50. But these are just the beginning. There are countless more delicious and nutritious dishes waiting to be explored. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body. Every bite is a chance to fuel your vitality. It's about making health-conscious choices and incorporating them into your daily routine. It's about finding balance, enjoyment, and nourishment in every meal you prepare and savor. Continue your journey. Continue learning, exploring, and experimenting. Continue making choices that nourish your body, that fuel your vitality, that enhance your golden years, because you're worth it. Your health is worth it. And as you embark on this journey, we're here with you. Like, subscribe, and join us on this journey to better health at Vitality Vanguard Beyond 50. We promise to keep bringing you practical advice, intriguing insights, and delicious recipes. Until next time, stay nourished and thrive.